Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a very special welcome to those of you joining us at onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
We begin this evening with a developing story. An 11-month-old baby who desperately needs a ventilator is fighting to stay alive at the Jamaican hospital in Clarendon.
Now, the infant has been incubated at the facility for about 3 weeks. Now, the mother of the infant says she was advised that the hospital does not have a ventilator on the pediatric ward.
And I didn't know this until, my daughter, I never imagined that my daughter would ever want a ventilator, And when they told me that she needs to be ventilated and that they're trying to get her transferred and because they don't have none there, it was really shocking to me, you get me? And it's really sad to know that there's no ventilator at the hospital. And that is the reason why I really wanted to reach out.
Now, the Ministry of Health has indicated there were approximately 118 ventilators in use in the public health system. Ms. Shikori admits the hospital has been trying to secure a transfer for her daughter. However, all efforts so far have been unsuccessful.
And UE and Cornwall Regional and Mandeville, none of that is successful. They don't have any they have ventilator, but they're saying that they don't have the space. At Mandeville, they're saying that they're short staff. The doctors, they're trying their best, but if they don't have equipment, how it go? There are lives that, that they could have, that they can save, if they have all of the equipments them in place, but they really don't.
Almost 3 weeks ago, a newborn died at the Jamaican hospital because there was no ventilator. It's why Ms. Shikori is pleading for help.
But I really want my daughter to get a ventilator. So I don't know if the Minister Tufton can see this and help, or Andrew Olness. I don't know what it is. But I really need my daughter to be on a ventilator ASAP because this has been 3 weeks now. She has been fighting. She just really needs to go on the ventilator.